Today for the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin breakout is literally imminent within the next 12 to 24 hours. Are we going to be rejected and break down for Bitcoin, or are we finally getting the long-awaited breakout here with the confirmation towards our bullish price target towards the upside? You will not believe your eyes. Watch this video until the very end. I will be showing you my trade on FIMEX, my trade on Bybit, my price targets, and what exactly I am expecting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Also, look at this. 2 days ago, I was announcing that I am buying Uniswap at $2.70 and adding it to my DeFi portfolio. Look at this. It already went up here to $8.50, a 3x. Congratulations for everyone who bought my call here. We are one crypto family and we are going through this together. But right now the question is, was this the blow off top? And is this pump already over for Uniswap? Or are we going to see a new breakout for Uniswap here towards another bullish price target towards the upside? You do not want to be missing out on that. Make sure you take a seat and you watch this video until the very end, because I will be talking about Bitcoin and about Uniswap. Both of these pieces of content are extremely relevant, important, and time sensitive. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down and you smash up the like button for that video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. We are getting so many likes, so many comments. You are by far the best crypto family out there. Also press subscribe, press the bell and press on all so YouTube gives you a push notification when I am giving these very time sensitive calls here on altcoins and on Bitcoin. Also great news. I'm the first or second crypto YouTuber ever verified here on Instagram. Great news. We will be talking about that as well. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin is here in this symmetrical triangle. And we so far, after I was calling a breakout right there, we already hit the first price target of $11,100. However, the second one and the final price target of $11,400 is not hit yet. And the question is, are we going to break out, hit this price target, and even more importantly, maybe even go higher to our next price target towards the upside? Well, this is what I want to be talking about. First of all, let me go back here to the 4-hourly candles. And what you can see here is that with this breakout, we actually got from this ascending triangle I was talking about, I think as the only one on YouTube here, after we were breaking out, well, not out of any coincidence, Bitcoin was rejected here. Everyone remembers the 11,100 price target, which I mentioned multiple times, which DaVinci J50 mentioned multiple times on his channel, on our channel. We were talking about this level here being key support throughout this period, because there was one person, institution, whatever you want to call it, maybe it is even only the market buying up at this specific level. We had significant support over there. And obviously trading one-on-one, this support turns into very strong resistance, solidifying here with the first resistance point here already, which we had over there. However, the question is this already the end? Is Bitcoin going to break down? Well, I can tell you something. The next 24 hours will give us a clue about that. Let me go over back here to the 1-hourly candles, because what you can see here is, and wait until the end, I want to be talking about Uniswap. I am getting messages left and right on Instagram, on Twitter, on Telegram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, there is a link down in the description down below. I will talk about that later on, but this is more important right now. So we are seeing here a symmetrical triangle, and this is usually a neutral pattern. It is more like it breaks out more often towards the upside if we are going bullishly into it. It breaks out more towards the downside if we are going bearishly into it. And of course, here the good news for all the Bitcoin bulls, probably everyone watching right now, is that we are going bullishly into this pattern, obviously. So we are bouncing between support and resistance, going bullishly into it, knowing that we have a higher likelihood to break towards the upside. Remember, let's say this is a 67% likelihood. Then we still, 1 out of 3 cases, we break towards the downside. That's why if you are planning to make a new trade here, I would wait for the breakout to come, because in this case, you can trade a confirmed breakout towards the upside and towards the downside. I will give you the price targets and make sure that your likelihood of success is much higher. First of all, let's check the validity of this pattern. And we can see here on this symmetrical triangle that the volume is sharply declining over here. We had a little bit of an outlier here, but it is sharply declining. Right now, look on the downside on the hourly candles printing close to no volume at all. No one is interested about Bitcoin. This might be the time when we should take a very close look onto Bitcoin, because I'm getting messages like only about Uniswap, only about DeFi projects, and people are even saying Bitcoin is dying right now. Well, no matter whether we are breaking down or whether we are breaking up, I think likelier to break up for sure. I am still in my long trades. I will be talking about that, but I can promise you one thing: Bitcoin is not dead. And here at MMCrypto, we are looking at Bitcoin when everyone is bored about it. So let's talk about the price target. Here we are in the symmetrical triangle. More importantly, look at this. Let's go here a little bit further, and you can see that the breakout has to happen technically here until 3 a.m. in the night from today until tomorrow. So basically the breakout is imminent within the next 12 to 18 hours. It could be even coming earlier. And the price target would be, we have to take the highest point here of the symmetrical triangle. I would love to take another one, but we have to take this one here. And if we were, and now guys, pay close attention, to pull that over here, then this price target, if we break out within the next few hours towards the upside, look at this. Is it a coincidence or not? But this is in perfect alignment with the previous price target. I was actually quoting from this specific breakout out of this ascending triangle. I was quoting this price target here a few days ago. So if Bitcoin were to break out, the price target of the new smaller pattern would be in perfect alignment to that. And to give you a little bit more of a clue here how Bitcoin is actually supported and why I think that the breakout towards the upside is not 100% but much more likely, let me pull out the EMA ribbon here. On the hourly, we are supported on it, but it is, in my opinion, more bullish here on the 4 hourly. As you can see, Bitcoin is so far supported by the EMA weekly ribbon here, by the 20 EMA on the 4 hourly. It is squeezing the Bitcoin price into this pattern. So I am waiting here for the breakout. And if you are standing on the sideline so far, well, wait for the confirmed breakout, trade it either towards the upside or towards the downside. And also guys, I want to update you here on my trade on Femex and on Bybit. You can see right here on Femex, I'm racking in 35,000 US dollars in profit. This is my trade. I opened up at 9,400 US dollars. You remember that I am very confident in this trade because it was a very strong entry position. This is a long-term trade. Many people are here against me, but I'm very confident, at least if it goes against me, so be it. But this is a trade I am not planning to close anytime soon. You also remember that I have a new trade, a short-term trade on Bybit. It is right here, and you can see this one is racking in right now 9,000 US dollars in profit at a 14x leverage. My entry point was 9,521. Because it is a short-term trade, I have here a stop loss, and this stop loss is exactly at my entry position. I want to make sure that if it goes against me, I am being stopped out here at a break even. Let me know in the comment section, and with your feedback, with your like on that video, you are giving your voice for me showing my trading setups, my exact game plan, my take profits, everything in absolute real time. If you like the video, I know I am doing something right and I should continue with that. And if you also want to support us before we are going into Uniswap, you know that we have $522 completely for free in the pinned comment. If you scroll down, you know I am trading on Bybit, Femex and Udex on all of these 3 exchanges, mostly on Bybit, but also on Femex and every now and then on Udex. And I have the highest bonuses on YouTube for you available there. It is $522 for free. If you use these links, you put in your email address and your password. After your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free. You can use only the bonus, and you can withdraw the profits from this free bonus breakout trade also completely for free. But please note that this is only for experienced traders. But next up, guys, many people are asking me on Twitter, Telegram, like everywhere, what about Uniswap? Because you remember I was calling here on Twitter in the moment we were at $2.70. Go and fact check it yourself with the upload date and everything. I was saying I am adding Uniswap on Binance to my DeFi portfolio. I was buying Uniswap at $2.70 and I was pushing this tweet out to all my followers. Unfortunately, it didn't get so much traction, but everyone who bought it here made a 3x so far within 1 day only. But the question right now is, of course, well, Is the price going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? What is my price target right now in the immediate short term? This question is a little bit hard to answer. And just very quickly here, before I am going into the Uniswap chart here, this will be interesting, guys. I can promise you this already. I want to give you a small heads up, because if you want these updates in real time, and if you also want them for sure to be pushed, not only on Twitter, but even more securely on Instagram, where I am doing these updates also in stories, go over to my Instagram profile. You can see it is a verified account. I recently got verified. Good news that Instagram and Facebook are taking crypto seriously, and I think I'm the first or second person here, YouTuber in crypto, verified on Instagram. Great news here. So Chris MMCrypto, at Chris MMCrypto, link down below as well. Follow me there, and I am posting daily stories. I'm posting content about mindset, about crypto, everything. Follow me there right now. But the question is, let's go back to Uniswap. What is going to happen? Well, let's talk about the technicals just very quickly here. Even though this chart is not old, it is not very recommended to invest based on the trade technicals, but if you want to trade it, well, why not? This is the hourly candles on KuCoin. You could use the Binance one or whatever. Here we are printing either a descending triangle or a symmetrical triangle. I am tilting towards the symmetrical triangle. And the good news is that I wanted to make a video that the breakout here is imminent, but the question is, are we here maybe already breaking out? Because it seems like here, I mean, we can draw this a little bit, we can move this a little bit. So of course we need here more significance behind it, and we also need more volume here on the downside. But in case we are breaking out, well, in this case, this bullish trajectory for Uniswap could solidify and could continue here at least for today or tomorrow, and the price target would be nearby the $9.60 area. Yesterday in the video with DaVinci J15, where I was actually arguing, debating him here whether Uniswap is a good buy or not, I was saying it is a good buy. He was not very sure about that, at least in the long run. We have two different opinions when it comes to the fundamentals. Watch this debate, because either me and him, we had very, very good arguments. Watch this one for sure. But I was saying, well, I think it is a good buy. And so far it was a very good buy. I was also mentioning a $15 price target, but please note that this is for the mid run. For the long run, I could be wrong on this, but this is for sure not about today or tomorrow. But yeah, if you are still bullish here on Uniswap, the success likelihood decreases with every single dollar we are printing here higher on the Uniswap price. You should have maybe bought in right there, or where I called it on Twitter, or at the retracement. But if you want to buy it, you might buy the breakout here if you missed the boat. But please note that we are here right now already printing $700 million in market cap. Well, I don't think that this is the end here, but you have to consider that the fully diluted market cap is 7 billion, and this is higher than from Binance. So we have to start being cautious here. I am still holding my Uniswap, but of course I had a very strong entry at $2.70. I am having right now like 170% in profit within one day. That's why I can hold. That's why I have a little bit more room here. And I am also holding because of the fundamentals, because they have so much volume. They have more volume than Coinbase. They have millions of users. They have $1.5 billion locked up in liquidity. They have $70 million paid out in fees or so far. They have delegation. They have decentralized governance. It is a very nice ecosystem, in my opinion. I want to be part of it fundamentally, and I don't care if it goes back to my $2.70 entry point. So this is the reason why I'm still in it. But if you entered with me at $2.70, you might as well consider taking your first profits here around these areas. And if you are convinced about the fundamentals, you might hold this for the longer term and see where it goes. Also guys, I want to show you something very, very quickly for everyone who is watching until the very end. Look at the view here I'm having in Dubai. You know that I was living in Thailand for a very long time, and I was never wearing shoes for 6 months or so. So now I started to wear shoes. I am in a big city, and it is a crazy feeling. But this view here, it's really amazing. I was living in a bubble, and it's nice to switch a little bit the perspective. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below, and you will get a lot of these updates about my traveling, mindset, business ideas, crypto content, everything. And to look at this, if you look down here to the pool, this doesn't really look that we are in a pandemic right now. So I was very surprised to see that, because in the media you hear different things about Dubai. So let's go back into the content. And as one last ending point here, as a positive note for everyone, you remember I have my DeFi portfolio. I will make an update in the next episode for sure, guys. I promise you that. Especially here with this Uniswap purchase, it is insane. I mean, this profile looks right now very profitable, but I always have to prepare it here in a PDF. It takes some work. I will do it for the next one. But look at this, 9.46 billion US dollars totally locked in the DeFi space. We are right now approaching the all-time high, all the way back here from the end of August, beginning of September, about to crush it. And this is obviously very good news. So if we are able to break through this level and to print higher highs, obviously this gives a little bit more strength, a little bit more backing here behind the DeFi space, and maybe increases the likelihood of the altcoin season to be prolonged here after we had this massive pullback after the 1st of September. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. And obviously, guys, also do not forget always to support us. Thank you so much for that. Only with a small like here. If you scroll down, if you smash up the like button on that video and you press subscribe, press the bell and press on all, you make sure that you get notified for the next video, and you make sure that you are supporting us with the YouTube algorithm, because the more likes you are making, the more comments you are doing in the comment section. I am reading these comments. The more you are helping us to tell YouTube this video is relevant, this video should be pushed out into the community, and yes, this makes our community grow. This makes our MMCrypto community and MMCrypto family grow. So I really want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your support. And with that being said, let's wait and see here. I would say that right now we have interesting times here for Bitcoin, especially on the hourly, in the immediate short term. So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial if you haven't watched it already right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.